Hey all, welcome to ShareTrack. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to make this brief video to bring to your attention something that I gained from our subscribers. It is a stock called as Bili, B-I-L-I. The way I understand it, it's some kind of Chinese YouTube company, equivalent of YouTube. So I was impressed with the charts at that time and I decided to buy it. I bought some, since I didn't know the fundamentals of the company, I just bought 100 units, and the time that I bought it was when it had formed this bull flag and it had just broken out, and I thought, okay, I would like to buy this. And since then it has gone up, touched the top, come back down, and it's again making some consolidation out here and then a quick gap up, and it's on its way up. The reason I'm doing this video right now is because I'm going to take a decision on Bili, and I want to give you an idea of why I'm doing it, and I would like to invite your comments as well. So as you can see, we have a parallel channel here which was tested from the top once and from the bottom once, and it was tested multiple times out here and once more out here, and then once more somewhere around the 9th of October at the top. So I'm thinking that if we manage to go up further, I think we would get stopped somewhere around 31.61. So my idea is to sell this stock soon, probably today or tomorrow, and sell it somewhere around 31.3 or something. I'm not going to wait for it to go and touch this diagonal line of resistance. However, we also have this target from before, which was a bull flag target, and that target was for 32.05. And in my opinion, that target got demolished when we created this candle out here and started coming down. So I treated this as a bear candle, a bearish candle, and this was the flagpole and this was the bearish consolidation. And I was expecting it to go down, hit this diagonal line of support and then come up. Instead, it just went straight up. We have got the Trump and Xi Jinping meeting coming up. So this share is going to see a lot of volatility in my opinion. So I'm thinking that this would be the right time to take profits, and I got significant profits in there. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. There's another share also which I bought based on what our subscribers had mentioned. And I'm going to show you one of them in which I made profits, and I don't have it currently. It is Precigen, PGEN, and I think Precigen is looking quite bullish right now because if you consider this to be a bull flag, this entire section to be a bull flag, then this is the flagpole and this is the flag, and then we have gone up again and we have created a new bull flag out here. So it's all looking bullish. And also this company has got therapies which are already in the market, and they have got a new therapy which is going to be approved shortly. At least that's how I remember it. So I have to check out Precigen once again. But again, here I made good profits. I sold off Precigen after making the profits. I don't have any Precigen right now. Another company which our subscribers recommended to me was Ultragenyx. I made good profits out of Ultragenyx. I'm still holding Ultragenyx in my portfolio. I have sold half of it, taken the profits, and the other half is still in my portfolio. And the reason I had bought Ultragenyx was because we had a cup and handle target of 35.15, and we have steadily been going up, and we have gone past the cup and handle target out here. And the next bull flag is out here, and this is the target. That target happens to be 35.90, and that's what I'm waiting for. So I'm pretty bullish on Ultragenyx as well. So this is the benefits I have had from doing this channel and interacting with our subscribers in the live stream. So thanks to all of you who suggested these shares. They were able to allow me to buy by giving me some bullish signals. And in most cases it worked out, except for RKT. RKT did not work out, and I bought RKT somewhere out here. I bought it prematurely, and it was a mistake. And in hindsight, I think it was a big mistake. I was thinking this is the flagpole and this is the bull flag, and therefore a breakout has happened. So I bought it somewhere out here. Since then, I've been suffering losses And off late, with the rate cut and other things coming up, this stock is showing some signs of life. I would consider this to be a little bit of a bull flag. Let me just confirm this for sure. This is my flagpole, and we have reached 50%. So no, I think this is still a bear flag. We have to see a few more candles going upwards, and if we cover at least 50% of this flagpole, then I would go into a neutral stance, saying that let us see some new patterns out here. So I have a loss position in RKT, and yeah, so that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. And I hope you guys are having a great day in the market, and I'll catch up with you again with the next video. Bye for now.